Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this one, we are going to give you tips for a back sacada. If you have tried that one and it didn't work, probably this video will help you.
But before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends.
Let's get to the work.
Okay, let's see the back sacada. This case of back sacada is many.
Yes, and let's show you first in the real dynamic of this one. Takata, papazam, pazam, sharam. For now, we finish it here. You can exit in many different directions, but here's the first tip for the follower first.
So we have the lead for the side step, for the back ocho, and for the back sacada. When I get the lead for back sacada, I'll wait for the leader to be in the front leg, and then the tip is to extend the right leg in this case without walking yet. So my body weight is on the left, my ribs are front, and I position the right leg just before walking. When he goes away, then I keep walking to the next position. So the tip is not to rush that very moment. How we do that? Technique to hold the position and not to rush. Okay, let's try one more time, slow motion. So we do side, ocho, and ocho. So you'll see here the moment. I'm pivoting, sending the leg. See how I bring the ribs on top of my toe, left leg toe, instead of keeping the torso kind of center, because center will be I'm pushing the leader. To avoid pushing the leader when I extend the right leg, I'm moving forward with the torso. At the same time, I'm extending the leg. So I'm counterweighting, going front when the leg goes back. Preparing the leg when he walks. Then, yes, I transfer and keep walking to the next position. So very important for followers to practice this. Heels together, send the leg, and move forward in axis. We are in axis, sending the leg, move forward, axis, 2 times, third time, we do that, and then we walk. This is a very important exercise to have very nice back sacada for followers.
Now, a tip for the leaders. And before that, we would like to mention that I'm wearing our own line of tango pants, which is Tango Dapper. We have tango pants, suit for dancers. We have tango skirts made from Miriam's design. All of that on our website, miriamleonardotango.com. Check it out. Now we are going to do this. Now for the leader, the idea of this is that we have to prepare for her to understand that a back sacada is about to happen. She needs time. And for that, we are going to break the lead in 2. Look, this is the first backward ocho. Now, this is the first half that we are going to do. 1 and change the embrace. Do you notice that I just changed the embrace, and the only thing that I did is I positioned my leg there. I didn't change body weight. Second part will be the change of body weight and lowering and pulling with my right elbow. Yes? All of that plus the momentum. So you transfer body weight and momentum all at once. Look. 1 and 2 to transfer. Yes? The most common mistake that happens is the leader try to do it with 1 momentum only, and this is how it'll look with 1 momentum, which is not good.
So don't do this.
Don't do this. From here already, without the possibility of changing my embrace, it'll look like this. 1 and 2. Sorry, Miri, huh?
That was terrible.
So she won't be, even if we try to force her, she won't be able to do it. Why? Because my hand was here. Can you see my hand on this embrace? I mean, on her lat? And my hand should be all the way there, even a little bit lower if we can. Tuck. So when we pull, it's easier for her to keep walking around. Yes? So that's the tip for the leader, breaking the movement in 2. 1, to re-embrace and position the leg. Number 2, to transfer and create the momentum to rotate.
And it doesn't have to be a very long and deep step. We'll show you like smaller sacada for social dancing. If we are here, we can just walk and keep the molinete or the step without really going really down and deep. You can make it larger or smaller.
Yeah, we always try to exaggerate here the technique so you can see it from the video.
Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the video.
Bye, take care.